So here's how to create a watermark in Microsoft Word. It's quite simple, guys, so let's get started. First of all, you need to select the design option on the left upper side. So tap on the design, and then on the right hand side you will see this watermark option. So you need to tap on the watermark, and then as you can see, you got different types of watermark right over here. These are the templates that you can use for your background of watermark. All right, so also you can make or create a custom watermark. So for that reason you need to select this option called custom watermark. So tap on that, and then as you can see, we got selected as no watermark. But if you have any pictures that can be selected as watermark, you can select the picture watermark and then select the picture from your computer. All right, but for my case I'm going with the text watermark, which will be appear as a text in the background of the page. So like, let me just type in real quick something like this. Then you can select the font right over here, and also you can adjust the size of it, but I think the auto might be work perfectly. All right, then you can also change the color of it, but I think this gray color is quite impressive to be in the background. All right, then also you can change the layout like diagonal and horizontal, but the diagonal is great for me. All right, then after selecting all of that, you can simply tap on OK, and as you can see, we got a watermark behind our text. All right, so that's how you can create a watermark in Microsoft Word. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll catch you next time.